How to install Google Play Store on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, side-loading application is not currently possible on iOS devices. But still, even if you want to install Google Play Store on a device, first of all open up Google Chrome browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Google Play Store. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Now scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now click on Add. Now tap on Add. Now go back to your home screen and open up the shortcut. This app won't be functional on iOS devices. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.